Ever seen a robot that climbs your windows? This one does. Using vacuum sealing tech, it sticks to vertical glass, defying gravity while spraying, scrubbing, and leaving your windows spotless. Just look at that difference. Crazy, right? Honestly, I'm over the so-called smart gadgets that make life harder instead of easier. But not these. Today we're exploring smart home gadgets that are actually genius. Let's get started. Cleaning windows is one of those chores we all avoid, right? It's messy, time-consuming, and even dangerous if you have high windows. But this robot, the JSD Robot S9 Pro, changes everything. Using vacuum sealing technology, this smart cleaner clings to vertical windows, defying gravity while scrubbing them clean. You simply place it on your window, press start, and watch it work its magic. It moves across the glass surface, spraying water and removing dust and grime along the way. It doesn't just stop there. The JSD Robot S9 Pro uses an intelligent navigation system to ensure that no spot is missed, and it works on both framed and frameless windows. This makes it versatile enough to handle everything from sliding doors to mirrors. One of its standout features is the built-in safety rope that prevents it from falling, even on high-rise windows. Plus, it has a backup battery that kicks in during power outages, so you never have to worry about interruptions. Whether you live in an apartment or a large house with glass walls, this gadget takes window cleaning off your to-do list. Whenever you get wet and you want to dry yourself, what do? Use a towel, of course, but then that's just one extra thing that needs to go in the wash. And if you have lots of people who want to dry themselves, you're going to need a lot of towels. The Some Say full body dryer offers a smarter solution. It releases a powerful stream of warm air that covers your entire body, drying you faster and more efficiently than a towel ever could. But it doesn't rely solely on warm air evaporation. Instead, it fires negatively charged ions at water molecules, breaking them down on a molecular level. It's perfect for cold days when you don't want to use a cold, damp towel. And with its cool air setting, you can use it year-round. The built-in weight scale is another bonus, allowing you to track your health as part of your routine. Imagine stepping out of a shower and standing on this dryer. The warm air quickly envelops you, making you feel like you're in a high-end spa. It's hygienic, eco-friendly, and perfect for families with multiple members who want a quick and luxurious drying experience. And the fact that you'll never need to wash as many towels again, that's just the cherry on top. Let's be honest, ironing clothes is a chore that nobody really enjoys. But what if there was a way to make it completely hands-free? The CHI Steam Clothing Steamer is here to change your laundry routine forever. It starts off as a compact box, but when you want to use it, it extends into what looks like an alien life pod. You hang your wrinkled clothes inside, zip it up, and press start. The steamer uses 6 high-pressure steam vents to blast away wrinkles, making your clothes look freshly pressed in minutes. Leave it for a while to complete. Until then, let's go to the next gadget. Now, if I wasn't already warmed up enough by the dryer, this next product is going to properly sort me out. This is the highest-rated smart toilet seat on Amazon. And by smart, I don't mean you can control this with Alexa. This is just actually clever. For starters, toilet seat is heated, which means no more cold shocks on winter mornings. It keeps you as warm as you would be with clothes, but without them. But it doesn't stop there. The seat has a built-in bidet with multiple cleaning modes, including feminine wash, posterior wash, and even a turbo wash for extra cleaning power. What's more? The bidet function is followed by a built-in air dryer, eliminating the need for toilet paper altogether. It's more hygienic and eco-friendly, reducing paper waste in your home. The Vovo toilet seat also features UV sterilization, which activates after every use to keep the seat germ-free. And if you're worried about slamming lids, don't be. It comes with a soft close mechanism. While it does need to be connected to the mains, that's a small price to pay for a high-tech bathroom upgrade. Ever dropped something in a tight, hard-to-reach place? It happens to all of us. The telescopic magnetic torch by Zalalova is here to save the day. This gadget is more than just a flashlight, it's your ultimate tool for finding lost items. With a telescoping arm that extends up to 22 inches, this torch lets you reach into the darkest corners and under furniture with ease. It has a bright LED light to illuminate even the smallest spaces, making it perfect for finding screws, keys, or anything metallic. The magnetic tip is powerful enough to pick up items weighing up to 1 pound, which means you can retrieve things like tools or bolts without bending down. And thanks to the bendable neck, you can adjust the light to any angle, making it super practical for DIY projects, car repairs, or even nighttime adventures. What's even more impressive is that it's compact and portable. fitting easily into your pocket or toolbox. Whether you're at home, in the garage, or out camping, this telescopic magnetic torch is a handy gadget that makes everyday tasks easier. Cooking a dish that requires constant stirring can be exhausting. That's where the utensil stir comes in, a hands-free automatic pan stirrer that does the hard work for you. This gadget features a unique three-legged design that allows it to move around the pan, ensuring your sauce, soup, or curry is perfectly stirred without you having to lift a finger. Simply place it in your pan, turn it on, and let it work its magic. It has 3 speed settings, so you can adjust it based on the thickness of your dish. Whether you're making a delicate bechamel sauce or a hearty stew, the utensil stir keeps everything moving to prevent burning or sticking. The best part? It's battery-operated and easy to clean. Just remove the legs and pop them in the dishwasher. Perfect for busy cooks who want to save time and effort in the kitchen, this gadget ensures your food is stirred to perfection every time. There's something mesmerizing about sitting by a fire. The warmth, the flicker of flames, the cozy atmosphere. The Glansphere tabletop ethanol fireplace brings that experience indoors in a stylish and modern way. This compact tabletop fireplace is fueled by bioethanol, making it smokeless, odorless, and eco-friendly. It's perfect for creating a cozy ambiance in your living room, dining area, or even on your balcony. What sets this fireplace apart is its beautiful spiral flame design. As the air flows through the glass cylinder, the flame twists and dances, creating a stunning visual effect. It's a great conversation starter for dinner parties or gatherings, and since it's portable, you can move it wherever you like. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening at home, the Glansphere tabletop fireplace adds a touch of elegance and warmth to any setting. Ever had guests over and realized your drinks aren't cold? The Cooper Cooler Beverage Chiller is here to solve that problem. This smart gadget claims to chill your drink in just a couple of minutes. The way it works is simple, but genius. You fill the chamber with ice and water, place your can or bottle inside, and close the lid. The cooler spins the drink while spraying it with ice-cold water, cooling it faster than a refrigerator. It works on a variety of beverages, cans, bottles, even wine. And the best part? You can open the drink immediately after chilling it without worrying about it exploding. Perfect for last-minute parties or hot summer days, the Cooper Cooler ensures you'll never have to serve warm drinks again. It's efficient, easy to use, and a must-have for anyone who loves entertaining. For those who love the feel of pen on paper, but hate losing their notes, the Moleskine Smart Writing Set is a game-changer. It combines traditional note-taking with digital convenience, letting you have the best of both worlds. The set includes a specially designed notebook and a smart pen that connects to an app on your phone. As you write, your notes are instantly digitized, allowing you to save, edit, and share them with ease. The Smart Pen uses advanced technology to detect where you are on the page, ensuring your notes are perfectly captured. You can even convert handwritten text to digital text with just a tap. Ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who loves jotting down ideas, the Moleskine Smart Writing Set makes note-taking smarter and more efficient. No more losing important notes or scrambling to find a pen and paper. This set has you covered. Virtual Window Atmos Window 2. What if you could change your view with the press of a button? The Atmos Window 2 is a smart display that turns any wall into a virtual window with stunning scenery from around the world. This framed display shows high-resolution videos of over 1,500 locations complete with realistic soundscapes. From tropical beaches to bustling cities, you can transform your living space in an instant. What makes it even more exciting is that you can upload your own photos and videos to create a personalized view. Imagine waking up to the sight of your favorite vacation spot or a calming nature scene. The Atmos Window 2 is perfect for small spaces, offices, or anyone who wants to add a touch of tranquility to their home. It's like having a window to the world right in your living room. Intelligent wireless charger lamp with Bluetooth speaker. Why have a regular lamp when you can get one that charges your phone and plays music? The intelligent wireless charger lamp combines 3 essential features: lighting, wireless charging, and Bluetooth speakers. Place your phone on the wireless charging pad and it starts charging instantly. No cables, no mess. The built-in Bluetooth speakers deliver great sound quality, letting you play your favorite music or podcasts. With touch controls, you can adjust the brightness and manage your music with ease. Its sleek design fits perfectly on your desk or bedside table, reducing clutter while keeping your phone charged and your room well lit. If you're looking for a smart upgrade to your workspace or bedroom, this gadget is a perfect choice. If you have pets, you know the struggle of dealing with pet hair on your couch, clothes, and car seats. The Chom Chom Roller is a game changer for pet owners. It's quick, reusable, and doesn't need any sticky tape or batteries. Simply roll it back and forth on any fabric surface and it picks up pet hair like magic. The best part? It has a built-in compartment that collects all the fur so you can easily empty it out when you're done. This hair remover works on sofas, beds, carpets, and more. Whether you have a fluffy dog or a shedding cat, the Chom Chom Roller helps keep your home fur-free without the hassle of disposable lint rollers. It's eco-friendly, easy to use, and a must-have for every pet owner who wants to keep their furniture looking clean. So now, let's check this out. I'm super impressed by how well it works. The shirt is completely bone-dry and it smells great. And there you have it. Smart home gadgets that are more than just gimmicks. These devices are actually genius and make your daily routine smoother, easier, and even a little futuristic. From robots that defy gravity to virtual windows that transform your view, these products are proof that innovation can simplify life in surprising ways. If you're ready to upgrade your home with these clever gadgets, be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more